My name is Fazan Ibrahim, and for the past 8 months, I've been experimenting with these AI tools from Keza to Cloud Code to Windsurf, and many of them. In that timeline, we have many AI tools that came around. Some were good, some were better, and they uniquely sucked in their own ways. And we had some people who would compare them together, and you mostly follow them. But the truth is, those AI tools are mostly good when it comes to what you are using it for. I mean, Claude could do something better, but Codex could do the same task very bad. And I think that's a wrong metric for using it to um, measure if they are effective or not. Because these models suck in their own unique ways. And what makes it better is when they add more features to it that they can enable it to think very good. And after using AI to build and plus my experience in development to build apps and win over 15 times hackathons, what I've learned is if you don't have the skill to build or you are not a technical person, vibe coding may be the good thing for you to start off, but it's good for you to stay humble and realize that you have a long way to still go, and don't listen to the people who are going to tell you that all you need is vibe coding and developers are useless or stuff. No, that's also something that's part of the hype because when you take a look at a car, for instance, a car is being sold to you, and all you need to do is understand where to the little manuals that you have to know to use the car. That's how these vibe coding tools work. And so, if you don't have experience in how to manage the car, how to understand path roads, where to pass or where not to pass, you're always going to face problems. That said, vibe coding tools do not require you to have high technical abilities, but this also raises concerns like security issues and other stuff. So I've I've come to the realization that there is something that we call taste that mostly technical people have or people who have the skills have. When you have the real skill, you have the taste. And so what happens when AI comes into the equation? AI amplifies it. So something that you could do that could bring out 2 times quality, 10 times efficiency. With AI, you can use that to increase it to like 5 times or 10 times. So the whole point here is if you want to make very good use of AI, put it into something that already is doing good. I mean, a skill. Every skill could become a business. When you're a developer, you will soon be a business because you are developing website solutions for people. When you are a designer, you still need AI because you are going to be designing stuff for people who are in need of your services. So every skill is going to be a business. So if you don't have a skill and you just started off with vibe coding, you should get like a very good thing to stick to because vibe coding is not what is going to save you. You should have a skill before you start. So that's the reason why I'm making this video. So if you're really interested into vibe coding and you've tried all the tools, you think they are cool, this is not the end of it. You have to stick to the plan, understand which skill you want to pick that skill, and then look at these AI tools. Which ones can you implement to give you the fastest way forward? Right? That's all.